As I record this message in April of 2020, we're in the middle of a global pandemic with the coronavirus. How is this affecting real estate and especially lending? That's what we're talking about today, so let's go. Hi, I'm Bryn Cook, and I'm a real estate agent here in Eugene, Oregon. Things continue to change quickly in this new world of social distancing. Just like the rest of the economy, real estate and lending continue to feel the impact. Today I'm talking with Lindsay Douglass, who's with Finance of America here in Eugene, to learn more about some of those changes in home lending. Thank you so much for joining us today. I really appreciate it.
Absolutely. Thanks for having me.
Sure. So let's just dig right in. So can you kind of go over what the biggest change has been in the last few weeks for your business?
Yes, businesses all over have changed dramatically. Mine specifically, a lot of it is clearly a lot of borrowers are losing their jobs either temporarily or, and that's really affected a lot of their income, which then affects mortgages, making sure we can make those payments and qualifying people accurately. And so a lot of our qualifications have tightened up. Credit scores, down payment options, all those kinds of things. So that's kind of been the biggest change to work through, is making sure that going forward, all of our borrowers we put into these mortgages can truly pay them back based on our qualification parameters. So that's been a big change to work through.
Okay, so you said that the programs have changed slightly.
Mm-hmm.
What's the biggest change that you've seen?
Biggest change when it comes to programs is definitely our 100% financing option. So we offered 2 down payment as a second mortgage options, and those are temporarily suspended. So it's really come down to 100% financing is USDA and VA, which are still funding and still normal, but it's just really less options for people when it comes to buying and their down payment.
Got it.
Yeah.
Okay, so can you tell us a little bit how your communication with clients has changed?
Yes, communication, that has changed quite a bit because I'm a very big face-to-face person. I really love meeting, phone and email, of course, haven't changed. Those are still there and have, probably doubled now because even I typically find that clients prefer kind of one method of communication, right? And some people really love face-to-face. They need that. And they're just not getting it right now. A lot of people don't understand how to talk over Zoom or, these awesome devices we have. And so phone calls and emails are big. And I do miss having that face-to-face because that relationship bonding in person is super important to me. And so that's been a big, huge change. But it's temporary, right? Everything is temporary. So we'll get back to seeing people face-to-face. But right now it's phone calls and emails for sure.
Has business remained steady for you at this point?
Actually, business is busier than it's ever been, but it's a lot of refis. So things have just kind of swapped in the market right now. I think due to, of course, what's going on in our world right now, a lot of people are maybe a little bit nervous to have a mortgage and buy a home if they didn't already have one. So refinances are really booming because interest rates drop so low, and a lot of people are taking advantage of taking, cash out even of their property to help supplement their income during this time as well. So that's been very beneficial to a lot of my clients. But purchases have decreased a little. And so we're really focused on making sure we get people pre-approved and out there because the market will come back and people will want to buy and their jobs will come back. So that's something that we really are putting purchases first in front of refinances right now due to that fact that we don't want people to be, scared to buy a home. Like it's still a completely smart decision to make. But yeah, business has slowed in that sense, but it's just kind of switched.
Kind of flip-flop for you.
Yeah, flip-flop temporarily. It's just different. So it's a big refi business right now, which is nice. So I get to touch base with past clients that I haven't talked to in a long time. So that's been really fun, just rekindling those relationships as well. So
that's awesome.
Yeah.
Okay. Well, thank you so much. I really appreciate your time and good luck with everything. I hope that you continue to get a lot of business and just keep rolling along. And yeah. I can't wait to see you again when this is all over.
Absolutely. You too, Bryn.
Okay. Thanks. Thank you so much for joining me in today's video. I hope you found the information helpful. I'd love to have you hit that subscribe button and join me for my next video. Stay safe, stay sane, stay well. Thanks.